Alright guys, so today I want to talk about what do you do when you lose your cell phone? How do you protect yourself from cyber criminals? You know, if you lose your cell phone, they can steal your money, they can steal your personal data. So these are the things that you need to do to protect yourself if you lose your cell phone. So number one, depending on which phone that you're using, if you're using an Android phone, then you need to log in onto the Android website, which is google.com/android/find. So this is the website which you can use to locate your cell phone. You can see exactly on the map where the phone is located. And then there's different options that you can use. You can click here on mark as lost. So basically this will lock the phone. It will block Samsung Pay, and then the phone will not be usable. Another thing that you need to do, or that you can do, is find the IMEI number and then contact your service provider. Tell them that they need to block that IMEI number so that that phone will not be usable in the country that you're in. So where do you find the IMEI number? So you can see on my screen here, you just click here, then you'll see this IMEI number. Then you contact your service provider, you give them this number, and then so that they can block the phone. It will not be usable once they've blocked that phone. So also depends on which phone that you're using. If you're using iOS, iPhone, go to icloud.com/find, and it will show you exactly where the phone is located. So this is just the screen of the map, and on the map it will show you exactly where it's located. So there's different options here. You can click on lost iPhone. This will lock the phone. It will also lock the Apple Pay. Also, you can click this option here, erase. This option here will erase all your personal data, all your personal details, photos, anything that you've installed, your apps, everything will be erased if you click on the erase option here. Don't click on remove. So this option here, remove, you only click on this option here if you want to remove the phone from the iCloud. So like if you're selling your iPhone to someone else and you want that person to connect to their iCloud, then you're going to have to click this remove to remove the device that you are selling, and then so that the buyer can connect the device they just bought to their own iCloud. So this is what you must do in case you've lost your phone. If somebody steals your phone, you want to lock it. These are the options that you can do. For Android, go to Android website. For iOS, go to iOS website. And then another thing that I want to show you is how to protect your credit cards. So normally people use normal wallets, but those wallets are actually very dangerous because somebody can come with a scanning device and they can scan against your wallet. If you have a credit card, they can take your credit card details. So there's something called RFID wallet. You can use the RFID wallet to protect all your credit cards when they are inside the wallet. So an RFID wallet basically has a shield that protects anything that is stored inside that wallet. So if somebody comes with a scanner and they try to scan against your wallet to collect your data on your credit card, the RFID wallet will block all of that because it has a shield inside of it to protect you, especially for people who travel a lot. When you're going through things like airports, you should get an RFID wallet to protect yourself. So those are some of the tools that I wanted to share that you can use to protect yourself. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next video.